Hi, this is Franco Ferrari from TiPTiG International, and we also operate out from Singapore with energy services systems to support your TiPTiG and also take care for new sales and do also welding consulting. This tutorial is made to support your organization to get the right spare parts for your Torch 18SC, as we still get difficulties sometimes with some of the RFQs as the wrong numbers are used or the wrong parts are ordered. On this sheet you can see every single individual part for the torch with a number. Below you will find a list with the correct name, with the correct technical specification and the correct order number. Please use only this number to order the spare parts. Then we have also included in this sheet the change from the TiPTiG insulator for the torch and also for the gas cap. That's the old version. We do not recommend to use this. Please use these parts which you can see here highlighted in orange color, as this improves the risk of high frequency damage to your body when the gas cap is not fully tightened, as we have experienced this with this version. So this is an improved version. Please consider to order these 3 insulator rings instead of these 2. On the end of the page you can also see that we have included now also the new all-in-one, as we have the different torch connection to these units. That's the old generation. So if you have this kind of unit old generation, please select and make sure your new torch has the number starting with 1000. All the torches for the new all-in-one start with 2000. Then once you have your numbers noted you would like to order, go to the RFQ sheet. Here you cannot do any mistake. Just fill in the orange blanks, type your project or your RFQ reference, type your company name, type your company address, put a date here, let us know who is your contact person, put the email of your contact person, then move to the project ID, click on the pull down arrow, select the torch you would like to have, and the list will automatically fill in all the information which we require to service you better and faster, so you can get your parts on time without any delay. Another torch box, then don't forget to put numbers of quantity, add this in here, and then off you go. Total items to be quoted. If you have some special instructions, leave your instructions in with here. Then you go to the print menu, simply print the sheet, which is generated automatically. Send this to us and we will revert to you as soon as possible. If you have any further questions, do not hesitate to contact us by email or visit our webpage. Thank you very much and see you soon again.